Hello everyone, welcome to Web Designer Luton. In this video I will show you guys how to use your business email using your computer, and I'm going to show you in two ways, one on webmail, another one using Gmail. So my recommendation that everyone should use webmail if you can. But for some of you who don't like to use webmail, I'll show you how to use Gmail instead. Now for the webmail, it's very easy and straightforward. Just you have to go to your website like a normal way, like this. At the end, just type /webmail and click enter. So in here you just type in your email address and your password and you can get login. For the first time when you log in, you may not see this screen straight away. If you see any different screen, you will see a blue button where it says open email. Then you can click on that and you will get into this screen. So that's it. This is our email. So you can send and receive anything you want from here. Now that is for this. Why I recommend using webmail? Because it's quick and it's super easy to use it. But for those of you who want to use Gmail instead, so I'm going to open a new tab here and go to Gmail. Now to add that on your Gmail account, go to the setting here, all setting. From the top here, the fourth one where it says account and import, click on this. And from here we can do two things. So let me open the Gmail in another tab which I want to show you guys. So one, we can add only to send email from our business email using Gmail. So we can only send, we cannot still check our incoming emails. Or another one here, we can check emails as well. So for those of you who only want to use Gmail as sender, for example to send emails using Gmail, you can just do this one, but I will activate both of them so you can see how it works. So now first one, let's do this one where it says send email. So click on add another email address. Here you can put your business name. I have put my name, but you can put your business name here and your email address. Click next. In here where it says SMTP server, just in front of your domain name type mail, M-A-I-L dot. So don't forget to put the dot as well, don't touch anything else. And here just type your email address. Your email address is your username, and type in your password. And once you do that, just click add account. Now what Google do, they send you a link into your business account. You need to click that to confirm it, and that's how it gets connected. So if I go back to webmail here, and if I refresh it, I should have received an email from Google. So if I refresh it here, as you can see there's an email. Just open it and click this link and make sure to click confirm. And this message is important. It has to say success. If it doesn't say success, you have done some mistake here. So make sure to see success here. This is important. Now close this. Now if we go back to our Gmail and refresh, refresh the page from here. Now if we send anyone's email, look what happens here. Our Gmail comes, and if we click on this arrow, now we can select outgoing email, our business. If you want to select any of these email as a default sender, so always Google select that by default, we can do that by coming here. As you can see here, if we refresh the page once, so once the page is refreshed, as you can see our email is here, and all we have to do, click here to make it default. Now this is default. If you want to make your Gmail again default, click this one. Now what happens if I close this and refresh the page again, and if from now on if we send email to anyone, by default our business email, it will send from our business email. So if that's how much you want, then you're done here. However, if you want to also receive to check your inbox of this business account in the Gmail, we have to set up another one of this, which is this one, check emails. Now before I set up that, let me show you. So you see at the moment I've got 5 emails here. So what will happen, all of the email from the Gmail as well as all of the email from your business email will get mix and match here. All of them will show here. So for this reason I personally don't like it, and that's why I recommend webmail, because you may get confused that from which one you received it. Although we can do some trick which can show us from which one it has came, but let's do it this in practical so you can see what I mean. You see here, just click again the same way, add an email account and put your email address, click next. Again, don't touch anything here, click next. Your username is your email address, as well as put your password and make sure this one is like this, mail.your website. Now what we have to do, we can click this. So what it does, as you can see, it says label incoming message. So all emails which come from our business, it will highlight this email in the front, so you know that it has came from this email. So make sure to select this if you want to see that, otherwise you will not know from the email, the incoming email is from Gmail or from your business email. So this has to be selected. Now if you want a copy of this email to go to your webmail as well, you can select this as well, but I don't select any other one of them, just this one is important. Yeah. So from here, add account. What will happen now, we will receive another confirmation in our Gmail this time. You see already we have received, and look how this one is highlighted, so it says this one is from this email, so you know it easily. Now all you have to do, confirm this by clicking this link, and make sure you click confirm until you see the success message. Once you see this, it's all done. Now if we go to our inbox, refresh, it should any incoming email now that we receive in our business will come here directly. Now to test it, I'm going quickly to my website and I'll fill up my contact form here. So this automatically send me an email. So I'm just typing here testing, and let's do this. Okay, email is sent. Now we should receive, and it should have this now this one is directly came from the form, because I put my email address of Gmail address, I put it as a user. So ignore this, because this is supposed to come directly to our Gmail. We should receive another one which normally goes here. There we go, we receive it here. Now this email should show in our Gmail too. If I come back to Gmail, maybe refresh it, you see third-party apps. The difference with webmail, and webmail straight away it shows. Using any third party, there's always delay. There you go, it came now. So that is another reason I recommend everyone to use webmail if you're comfortable with it. Now the same one, we have received it here with the highlighting of our business email. So this is how you know it has came from there. And if I open this, you see the message, everything I have right testing. So that, there you go, I have received it. I hope this helps, and I hope those of you who like to use Gmail um, as your business client, as your email client. So there you go, you have it. And uh, let's say for some reason you set up all this and you don't like it, you just don't want to use it this way. So what you can do, you can go back to the Gmail to remove it if you want to remove. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to remove everything we have done in case you don't like it. So just go back to setting, all setting, again account and import. From here, if you don't want to see email which comes mix and match with your Gmail account, so you can delete this. But if you don't want to send, if you don't want to use Gmail at all, you can delete this one too. Personally, I myself don't like to use Gmail. I use webmail all the time. And my final one before I finish the video, if I go one more time to the webmail, now let's say you like this page but you want to access it quickly. So what you can do, you see this star. If you're using a Chrome like me, but although all browser you can bookmark, okay. So if you just click this star here, and wherever you want to bookmark this, so this one I want to bookmark it here somewhere. So all I do, click here and it says bookmark bar, click this and done, and you see it came here. So let's say next time you want to use it, open Chrome. You don't have to go through all this, just click this and your email should open. There you go, just one more click and you are inside your email. So that's why I personally use webmail, but it's all up to you guys. You can also use other third-party mails like Microsoft Outlook if you want. If you guys are interested to do let me know. I will make another video for this. Thank you so much. Have a good day. If you still need help anything, please leave a comment or contact me directly and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.